Hi, I'm Christopher, and welcome to the Rooted Weekly Update. Update number 1. March 31st is World Backup Day. So, this month we are talking about backup. We're posting pro tips and tutorials and reasons for you to be backing up your devices. Make sure you take a look and like our social media pages to see all of the content that we'll be posting, and check out our new page dedicated to backup at rootedconsulting.org/backup. Update number 2. Speaking of backup, are you looking for an easy and inexpensive backup solution? If you are, we think you should take a look at Backblaze. Backblaze provides online or off-site backups. Simply create an account, download the app, and start backing up. It's just that easy. You can restore files from wherever you are at in the world. If you want to learn more, simply visit rootedconsulting.org/Backblaze. Update number 3. Coaching and mentoring is at the center of how our team works. We want you to be confident when you're dealing with technology. If you didn't know, our team produces video resources. We have a series on how to, what is, getting started with, working with, and pro tips. We typically have new videos posted every single week, and they are centrally located at rootedconsulting.org/resources. Check them out. Let us know what you think. Update number 4. The Rooted Roast is launching at the end of March. We've been giving away sample bags, and the responses have been outstanding. People love it. We filmed our first commercial for the Rooted Roast this week. It was a blast to shoot, and we want to send special thanks to Kristen Dragna for being a part of the project. We also want to say thank you to Mark Tassin, our creative director. He has been working very hard over the last months to get all this content out and on our site. So thanks, Mark, for everything you're doing. We know it's making a huge difference. Update number 5. This year we made the decision to bring Hector Alcala onto the team. On top of being bilingual, speaking both English and Spanish, he is multi-talented. We have him helping out with web design projects, motion graphics, and we promoted him to help desk manager this year. As you may or may not know, our service level agreement states that we have a 4-hour response time for tickets. Hector has challenged our team to start responding to tickets within 30 minutes. It's a bold initiative, but he thinks we should be the very best service provider for our customers. With that in mind, we're happy to report that in our first quarter of tickets, we have a 100% customer satisfaction rating. We want to say thank you to all of our customers as you've watched us grow. We're working hard for you to be our very best. Well, that's it for this week's update. We hope that you are doing well, and we will see you in the next one.